Okay, let's start with histogram. Okay, so create a histogram for sales. Okay, the easiest way to do that is select sales and from show me select histogram. Okay, so then you have a histogram. When you do that, what happens is dimension is automatically created. Sales bin is the dimension, and if you edit that, okay, so you see Tableau automatically figures out some bin size and uses that. Okay. Instead, you can set up a parameter. So size of the bin, if you click the down arrow where Tableau has already figured out based on its default values, but right underneath that default value is, you can enter a new value if you like, or you can enter a new parameter. Okay, so select that. So now you give a name for your parameter. So let's just accept that sales bin parameter. All right. Okay, you can have a comment right underneath that. So this parameter controls the bin size. So this parameter controls the bin size. Okay, so this is just for this is optional, but it's a good idea to have documentation of what you're doing. Bin size for histogram of sales, right? Okay, then you can select a default value, so 1500. All right, and then you control the values that you want to use in the parameter. Okay, suppose we want the user to be able to select a value as low as 500. Okay, so current value is 1500. Oh, we'll get to that in just a second. All right, so 10,000 as the maximum value, and in steps of 500. Okay. What happened? Text that I typed is gone. This parameter is controls the bin size. Sales. All right, click OK. All right, so now the bin size is going to come from this parameter, and if you look at, if you click OK, then a new shelf appears here with that parameter name that we just created. Okay, and there it is. Okay. You can, if it doesn't appear, you can make it appear by show parameter control. Suppose if this is not visible, so white card. If it is hidden, then you can go and say show parameter control, and that will show the parameter control. Okay, and we have a couple of choices for how the parameter will work. So you can have a slider or type in. So you can type in. So we have 500 to 10,000 in increments of 500. So that whatever you type, it will be rounded to the closest 500. Okay. Or you can have a slider, in which case you can slide like that. So this is basic parameter that controls bin size for histogram.